Ever wondered how to become famous overnight? Have you considered dressing like a vegetable? Picture yourself as a giant broccoli or a towering carrot. The sheer absurdity is sure to turn heads. So if you're ready to step into the limelight, don that broccoli suit and strut your stuff. Not a fan of vegetables? No worries. How about juggling flaming swords or live chickens? Film your outrageous stunts and share them online. Defy the laws of physics and embrace the fame. Remember, fame is just a few drop watermelons away. If juggling isn't your thing, start a wild conspiracy theory. Convince folks that staplers are alien tech or squirrels, government spies. With conviction and a tinfoil hat, you'll gain a cult following. So, put on your tinfoil hat and join the ranks of the infamous. Still not famous? Try live streaming your daily routine. Captivating an audience can be as simple as broadcasting ordinary activities. Folding laundry, brushing your teeth. So set up that camera and let the world watch your thrilling life unfold. If all else fails, become a professional thumb wrestler. Dedicate your life to mastering this unique sport and challenge all contenders. Fame awaits those brave enough to follow this path, so limber up those thumbs and prepare for your moment of glory. Last but not least, invent a ridiculous dance craze. Imagine gyrating wildly, hooting like an owl, squawking like a crow. Viral fame is just a flailing flamingo dance away. So are you ready to do the flailing flamingo dance? Your fame awaits.